how's it going? This is Amanda from AmandaAroundTheGlobe.com, and today I am so excited to share with you my bullet journal. So I've talked about this a little bit on Instagram and especially on Instagram stories. So if you guys don't follow me on there, make sure to check me out on Instagram at AmandaAroundTheGlobe. I do a lot of Instagram stories on things that have been changing my life lately, and the bullet journal is one of them. So I just wanted to make a video to show you guys my minimalist version of the bullet journal. It's zero waste-ish. It's a recyclable journal. Yeah, I just thought it would be fun to show you guys. My bullet journal is not as artistic or beautiful as other people's that I've seen, but it is minimalist, it's helpful. I don't spend a lot of time drawing in it. I appreciate that people do that. I wish that I had that artistic talent and that I really like to draw and make things beautiful, but I don't have that talent, so mine is just very, very simple and plain. This is my bullet journal. It is a composition notebook. The reason I got a composition notebook instead of an unlined notebook is because composition notebooks are fully recyclable. I learned this from my YouTube friend Taylor Nicole in her zero waste office supplies video, and I was really excited to hear that because I usually use wire bound notebooks, but the wire is not recyclable. I'm trying to use less waste this year, as I told you guys in my 2018 goals video. So this is one of the things that I'm doing to use less waste. So let's just get into it. Obviously, my name's Amanda. So I have my name on the front. The first page I just left blank because I didn't really know what to do with that. This page I have my index. So I have the index on this page and it just shows, like, it's a table of contents basically showing everything that I have in here. So I started off the first couple pages with my future log, and to be honest, I'm not totally sure what I should write in there. So it's pretty blank right now, but as the months go on, I will fill that out a bit more. After my future log, I have 2 pages of things. So this page right here is things to learn and study, and on there I have Instagram growth and how to use my camera because I'm trying to get better about using my camera in manual mode. I have a Canon 70D DSLR camera and it's like a machine. Like using a DSLR is not the easiest thing to figure out on your own, but it's something that I'm working on and I'm having a lot of fun doing that. So that's something that I really want to learn and study a little bit more this year. And then my books to read, it's a work in progress. So the next thing I have is my monthly log, and this is just one line for every day. I just write down the most important thing that I'm doing that day because that way it looks full, it looks like I'm doing things, and it just reminds me what's most important for me to get done. And then after that, I have my monthly task list here. And my monthly task list is a list of things that I want to get done over the month. I don't include things that I would normally do anyways, like for example film YouTube videos, because I know I'm gonna do that no matter what and there's no reason for me to add it to my monthly task list. These are just things that I want to work on for this month. And then after my monthly task list, I have started my daily log. I really love the bullet journal approach to the daily log because I write my daily log just like 1 or 2 days in advance, which means that I can give myself as much room as I need for that day. So for example, on the days when I go to work, I'm not really doing a lot aside from working, so I don't really need a lot of space to write down my whole to-do list, whereas on days that I'm not working at my job, I'm working on my website and my YouTube channel and my Instagram and all of these other things, and so I'll need a lot more space to write down my tasks for the day. I really like that I can give myself a lot of space for the days that I'm really busy and a little bit of space for the days that I'm not so busy. I still make sure to make a daily log for every single day because there are things that I really like to track, like my water intake. I still have that right next to the day. I have tracked my water intake for every day. After that, I kind of wanted to add a few more things, so I have a few pages after my first daily log that I've included other things in. So I have my goals and ambitions for 2018. I talked about these in my goals video. I have a page of YouTube video ideas. Those are just YouTube videos that I would like to make. And the next page is blog post ideas, and I have a whole page of blog post ideas, and then I have blog posts that I want to make in the future. So the New Zealand South Island bucket list. This is a blog post that I'd like to make after I go to the South Island, so I'll have pictures to put into that post. And then I have posts to work on, which I have made drafts of those in the past, and they're just something that I have to finish. I have a page for my marketing plan. This is kind of just like a checklist every time I publish a blog post. The next page I have my master grocery list. This is not complete, but it's just a few things that I make sure that I always have on hand because I need them to survive. The page after that, I have a spending calendar, and I write down everything that I spend money on for that month. So I just made like a little calendar. This actually goes all the way through February 18th and it starts January 1st. And I have highlighted my no spend week, and of course I still have to spend money during my no spend week because I have to get groceries and pay my rent, but yeah, that's a lot smaller than it normally is. After my spending calendar, I have a savings plan sheet for my trip to Queenstown. So this sheet is kind of like my goal for Queenstown and how I'm gonna get to my savings goal for Queenstown, because I have a date that I'm going and I need to have money by then. So after that, I have another savings plan for the Cook Islands, and that is just another thing that I am planning to save for. And then I've created my daily log after that. So this is what I have so far. I just created this bullet journal probably about a week ago, and so far I've been really loving it because it's so helpful for me to have a journal where I can put everything into one thing, and it's something that's customized for me because I made it. So I have all of my savings plans in there, I have my grocery list, I have my spending calendar, I have my daily log, my monthly log, my goals, what I want for the future. All of this stuff is really awesome for me, and it's very exciting to have it all in one place, and to have my YouTube and my blog stuff all in one place is just really amazing. I prefer the bullet journal over a digital journal because as much as I would love to digitize everything, I just feel like I much prefer to have something on pen and paper that I can easily access, and that's not like an app or something on my phone, because I feel like I already look at screens enough and I don't want my life to be so dependent on screens. To be able to take my face and my eyes off the computer and off the camera and just write on paper is something that I really love to do. So I'm really excited that I found a fully recyclable journal, and I'm really excited to see where this bullet journal goes. So if you guys have a bullet journal, I would really love to hear about it down below and what you think about it. This is obviously my first bullet journal, and I've only been using it for a really short period of time. So I may do an updated video if you guys want to see that in the future, to let you know how it's going and how it changes and progresses. For now, that's all I have to talk about, so I hope you guys like this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on the bullet journal down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye!